Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to change the color of a particular text in Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then you can create your own spreadsheet or open default spreadsheet. Now you can see this is my spreadsheet. Now I change the color of particular text. I change Kuddus. At first select this text, then click font color drop down menu and choose any color of this text. I choose red color. You can choose another Everest mark. Same process, you can change this color. At first select this color, then choose a color. You can see I change this particular text in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.